Samsung has been the undisputed leader in the foldable phone market for many years, steadily enhancing its flagship models. But with companies like Huawei and OnePlus turning up their game, particularly after the not-so-impressive Galaxy Z Fold 6, it's evident that there's place for some major enhancements. Fortunately, Samsung may have the opportunity to surpass expectations with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. If the latest speculations are anything to go by, the new foldable could finally deliver the kind of upgrade we've all been waiting for and maybe even reclaim the title of the finest foldable phone out there. What is the Galaxy Z Fold 7 purportedly offering? Initially, the device boasts a 4.5mm thickness when fully extended, an 8-inch interior display, a 6.5-inch cover screen, a 200-megapixel main camera, the One UI 8 operating system, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a stronger display, a smaller crease, an upgraded under-display camera, a larger vapor chamber, improved speakers and vibration motors, and, most importantly, enhanced water and dust resistance. Some of these enhancements seem to be a no-brainer, like the larger interior screen and the extremely potent 200-megapixel camera. The camera boost is substantial, in a literal sense. If that is your preference, it could result in the Z Fold 7 feeling more akin to a Galaxy S25 Ultra. One UI 8 is also intended to arrive out of the box with Android 16. Samsung must ensure that One UI 8 is prepared to deliver after the rollercoaster voyage that was One UI 7. We will receive additional information in May at Google I/O, however, we remain optimistic that they have learned from their errors. The foldable screen, which has been a significant discussion point in the past, might see a large reduction in creasing too. We saw Advance look at a near creaseless screen at MUC 2025. And if that tech crops up in the Fold 7, it could be a game share. The Z Fold 6, a higher price tag wasn't precisely merited. And with the US tariffs possibly dragging the price up even further, Samsung needs to make sure that the Z Fold 7 is worth it for those of us contemplating the upgrade. If the schedule remains the same as last year, we'll presumably hear more about it in July when Samsung's expected to release the Z Fold 7 alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.